Now we will see first order, first degree linear differential equations. What do you mean by linear differential equation? An equation is said to be linear differential equation if dependent variable and its derivatives are of first degree and they are not multiplied together. So when we say a first order first degree differential equation is linear, if the dependent variable and its derivatives they are of degree 1 and they should not be multiplied together. So if a first order first degree differential equation is like this, then we say that it is a linear differential equation. Suppose y is our dependent variable. So let us say y is the dependent variable. Then derivatives of y are dy by dx, d square y by dx square, d cube y by dx cube. All these are derivatives of y. What is linear? Dependent variable and its derivatives. All of them are of degree 1. So y power should be 1. dy by dx power should be 1, d square y by dx square power should be 1 and so on. And they should not be multiplied together. So you should not multiply y with dy by dx. You should not multiply y with d square y by dx square. There should not be a product of dy by dx and d square y by dx square. So dependent variable and its derivatives are of first degree and they should not be multiplied together. Then it is said to be linear differential equation. When you come to first order first degree linear differential equation, it will be in this form. A first order first degree linear differential equation will be in this form. So here dependent variable is y, its derivative is dy by dx. Power of y is 1, power of dy by dx is also 1 and they are not multiplying together. So what is the standard form of first order first degree linear equation? You should remember this: dy by dx plus p into y equals to q. What are p and q? P and q are either functions of x or constant. What are p and q? P and q are, they can be either functions of x or they can be constants. So if the given differential equation is in this form, then it is said to be linear differential equation. See the example here: dy by dx plus y equals to x. If you compare this with the standard form, what is value of p? If you compare these two, what is value of p? P value is 1. So p is constant here. What is value of q? Q is right hand side function. What is in the right hand side here? X. So q becomes x. So as I said, either p and q are constants or they can be functions of x. See these two examples. Are they linear or not? In the first equation, y is the dependent variable, dy by dx is the derivative of the dependent variable. Both of them have degree 1 and they are not multiplied together. So this is linear differential equation. What is about the second equation? Y is the dependent variable, dy by dx, d square y by dx square are derivatives. All y dy by dx, d square y by dx square, all of them have degree 1, but here if you see, y and dy by dx are multiplied. So this is not linear. This is not linear because dependent variable and its derivative are multiplied together. Okay. So after seeing the general form of first order linear differential equation, let us see how to solve first order linear differential equation. So this is the standard form: dy by dx plus p into y equals to q. This is the standard form. So in the step 1, in the first step, you write the given differential equation in the standard form. What is the standard form of linear differential equation? Dy by dx plus p of y equals to q. So after writing the given differential equation in the standard form, calculate or find integrating factor. What is the formula to calculate integrating factor? Integrating factor is equals to e power integral p dx. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor equals to e power integral p dx. In the second step, we find integrating factor. After finding the integrating factor, the general solution is given with this formula. What is the general solution? Y into integrating factor is equals to integral of q into integrating factor. So, this is q. It should be q. Right hand side function. What is the right hand side function in the equation? Q. So, y into integrating factor is equals to integral of q into integrating factor dx. What is plus c there? Plus c is the integrating constant. So, we should remember all these three. What is the standard form of linear differential equation? What is integrating factor? What is the general solution? You should remember all the three. So the standard form of the first order linear differential equation is dy by dx plus p of y equals to q. So to find its solution, first we have to find the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power integral p dx. After finding integrating factor, the general solution is given by y into integrating factor is equals to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. What is plus c there? Plus c is the integration constant. So there is a note here, carefully read this. What is this note saying? If the differential equation is in the form dx by dy plus p of x equals to q, compare the standard form and the form written here. What is the difference? Y and x are interchanged. So, if the differential equation is like that, after interchanging x and y, it reduces into linear, then the general solution is also given here. Okay. So, when the given differential equation comes into linear after interchanging x and y, then the general solution is given here. Okay. So, you remember these three. Let us solve these differential equations. Okay. Standard form, integrating factor, general solution form. You should remember. Okay. Let us solve the first equation. What is the first equation? Dy by dx plus 5y equals to e power 2x. Dy by dx plus 5y equals to e power 2x. This is the given differential equation. So, is it linear? So, compare with standard form. Compare with what is standard form? Dy by dx plus py equals to q. So, if you compare, in place of p we have 5 and right hand side function q is e power 2x. So, the given differential equation in the standard form. So, after you know that it is in the standard form, find integrating factor. Integrating factor, in short we are writing IF, is equals to, what is the formula? E power integral p dx. Now, integrating factor equals to e power integral p dx, that is equals to e power integral, what is p? 5 dx. If you integrate, integral 5 dx will be, 5 is a constant, integral of 1 dx is x. So integrating factor will be e power 5x. Remember, in this integrating factor, you should not add integrating constant. You should remember this. While you are calculating integrating factor, in that process, you should not add integrating factor. Remember? And what is integrating factor? E power 5x. After completing integrating factor, we calculate the general solution. What is the form of general solution? The general solution is, what is the general solution? Y into integrating factor is equals to integral of right hand side function q into integrating factor dx plus c, we will write at the end. So no need to write anything, y is y only. What is integrating factor? E power 5x. What is q? See, from the problem, q is e power 2x into integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power 5x. So e power 2x into e power 5x, e power 7x. So what is the integral of e power 7x? E power 7x by 7. So our integration is completed. Therefore, y into e power 5x equals to e power 7x by 7 plus integrating constant c. After you complete the integration, you write plus c. So therefore, solution for the given differential equation is y into e power 5x equals to e power 7x by 7 plus c. Okay, let us see it again. So a differential equation is given to us. So we are comparing with the standard form. So what is standard form? You should remember dy by dx plus p of y equals to q. So when I compare, I got p is 5, q is e power 2x. After knowing the values of p and q, first you calculate integrating factor if. What is its formula? E power integral p dx. So p is already 5, so integral 5 dx, e power integral 5 dx becomes e power 5x. So after calculating integrating factor, substitute it in the standard general solution. What is the general solution? Y into integrating factor equals to integral q into integrating factor dx. So substitute integrating factor e power 5x, simplify, integrate and conclude. Okay? Let us see the second problem. We will solve the second problem now. What is the second problem? Dy by dx plus y by x equals to x square. So the given differential equation is dy by dx plus y by x equals to x square. Is it linear? We have to check. So how to check? Compare with the standard form. Compare with the dy by dx, I am writing standard form. You recall the standard form. What is standard form of linear differential equation? Dy by dx plus py equals to q. So if you compare, you will get y is multiplied with p here. What is y is multiplied here? It is multiplied with 1 by x. So p equals to 1 by x. What is q? Right hand side function, x square. So here p is 1 by x, q is x square. So p is 1 by x, q is x square. After knowing p and q values, we have to calculate integrating factor. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor. Tell me the formula. What is integrating factor? E power integral p dx. E power integral. What is p? 1 by x. So if I integrate 1 by x, what is the integral of 1 by x? Log x. What is the value of e power log x? E power log x is nothing but ax. So what is our integrating factor now? Integrating factor is equals to ax. Therefore, the general solution is what is the general solution form? So y into integrating factor equals to integral of right hand side function. What is right hand side function? Q of x into integrating factor dx. So substitute integrating factor and here simplify. So y into what is integrating factor? We just calculated integrating factor. What is its value? X. So y into x equals to integral of what is q of x? See the problem. What is q of x? X square. What is integrating factor? X. X square into x becomes x cube. Integral of x cube is y into x is same as x into y. X into x square is x cube. Integral of x cube is, what is integral of x cube? X power 4 by 4. So integration is over. So add constant plus c. So this is the solution for the second problem. So in this way, we can identify whether a given differential equation is in a linear differential equation form or not, and then we can solve. What are the important points you have to remember? Standard form. What is the standard form of a linear differential equation? Dy by dx plus p of y equals to q. Also you have to remember formula for integrating factor. What is the formula for integrating factor? E power integral p dx. And what is the general solution? Y into integrating factor equals to integral q of x into integrating factor dx. So after completing, we get this solution. Okay, we will see another topic in the next class.